Hey everyone, welcome back to Techlogy. In today's quick Excel tutorial, we are diving into COUNTIFs and SUMIF, two super useful formulas that help you count and sum values based on conditions. If you have already seen my video on COUNTIF, this one takes it to the next level. Let's say you are managing a small sales team and you want to know how many sales were made by John in East region, or what's the total sales amount for West region only. That is exactly where COUNTIFs and SUMIF come in handy. So here is our dataset in which sales persons, region and sales have been given in three different columns. Let's say we want to find that what are the sales, what are the basically frequency of John to handle the West or the East region. So in order to do this, we can use COUNTIF. Now first of all, you will have to select the criteria range. So first criteria is John and this is the range. Criteria, range, then comma, then selecting the John. Then second criteria, region, and East, and press enter. Now it's giving us 2. It's actually telling us that John has been handed over the region East twice. Actually, John is 3 times on this column, but when John is given East region is only 2 times. And the third time John was given West region. So this is how COUNTIFs can be used with 2 conditions, and you can enhance the conditions as well. And now coming to the SUMIF. SUMIF is basically, as I have told earlier, it can be used for finding out the total sales for the West region or total sales for a particular person. So first thing first, let's say we want to find out that how many sales have been due to the West region. So you can use SUMIF. Here you will have to give the range, then criteria such as West, then the range of entries which you want to sum based on the previously given condition. Now press enter. Now clearly it has returned you 800, and if you sum all these 3 values, then you will get this 800, 400 plus 100, 500, and this 300, overall 800. So it's very easy and it's very handy as well. So this is all about today's tutorial, and today we have learned about COUNTIFs and SUMIF. Please do like and subscribe my channel so that I may continue to do this educational work.